Hey, I'm Yuvraj from ContextWeaver. So basically today I'm giving you a quick tour of the root cause analysis feature of the platform. So let's quickly begin. So first, I'm showing you the connected systems I've connected for the sake of this particular demo. As you can see, the Context Viewer platform links all the platforms all the way from SCADA systems to ERP to CRMs and even your custom SOPs or docs you might have. So I've uploaded all of them for the sake of this demo. And let's quickly ask our first question from the root cause analysis tool. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about like, let's say I have some complaints coming from the top retail customers about the late deliveries, and we had three escalations this week, and I want to know why is this happening. So on the right side, first you should notice that my system, this platform has queried data from all the connected relevant softwares, and now it's presenting me with a root cause analysis. And in this, it has identified that faulty barcode scanners in warehouse zone B could be the most probable issue. And how it infers that, it has explained it properly. And not just that, it also cites the sources of the data it's taking into account so that if you have some kind of suspicion, you can go check back and come again to the analysis and everything explained. The biggest thing and the most helpful thing here is the impact. When different softwares are connected, you do not get a scope picture. Let's say it's not just a SCADA AI agent at this point, which is just telling me about the issues in the SCADA related things or the machines. It's actually telling me how it converts into an impact, how customers are going to get impacted, how the financials are going to go bad if this thing continues. And it gives me this particular information that so the conclusion, as you can see, a $200 firmware bug is putting 2.7 million in annual revenue at risk. So this is the kind of information I was looking for. I got the reason, I got how we arrived at that reason, and I got the impacts. Now, there's something important to understand here. So we can connect to all the softwares we want, but there is a lot of activities, there are a lot of scenarios that only happen in the real world and are not recorded in any type of software. So who can answer them? It's actually the people responsible, it's the people on the ground zero. So the system, this platform also identifies them and lets me contact them. For example, Mike here is the warehouse operation manager. So I can actually contact him through email manually. And the important feature here is that I can call him through an AI assistant as well. So I don't need to do the talking. I can actually communicate and gather data from a lot of people in my plant while doing or while staying on my screen on this platform. So I'll do that. I'll contact Sarah as well. I'll retrieve some data. So as you can see, everything is in process. This platform shows me a summary of the communication conversation that has happened and what those people told. So as you can see, this is the response from Mike. As you can see, this is the response from Sarah. And based on that, the analysis is updated. In terms of it has reaffirmed like what it has predicted, and it has also kind of gotten some new insight that it has included in the analysis. Now everything looks well and good. Now I've understood what's the problem. Now I want to kind of solve that. I just what ask this that what would it take to fix this and how do I prevent it from happening again? So as you can see in the logs again, it's fetching all the data from different places, different sources, and then it's giving me the recommended fix. It's telling me the immediate actions, and not just that, it is also giving me an estimate of the cost that it will take for taking those actions. And it will tell me like if I take these actions, this is how the recovery will look like over a period of next 4 weeks. And finally, it tells me like what are the things in terms of policies or anything else that I can do so that I can prevent this from happening in future. And at the end of the report, it tells me how much it's gonna take to fix this in terms of the cost and in terms of the time as well. So we are done here with our root cause analysis. We have also understood what we have to do, and now it's time to like let people know or let like we give directives to people, and this platform also helps me in that. So I can create the action items directly from here. For example, I can create tickets on SAP and Salesforces from here, where it actually figures out who is the person who should be in the loop and what is the information they need to have to kind of go over those actions. So this was all. We started from a question, which we didn't have any idea about, and we understood what the impact, what was the reason behind why it's happening, and finally how to fix it and how much it's going to cost us in respect to the time and cost both.